Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome edible bouquet from fruits. It's a really easy present to make and I'm sure this would be perfect to gift to a present or a birthday. First of all, we cut all our fruits. I'm using a lemon, a kiwi and a grapefruit. Each part of fruit we wrap in some plastic. In this way, the fruits will look very good for a long time. Then, in each piece of fruit, add more or less 2 sticks. In the grapefruit, I add 4 sticks. And I add 3 apples. Let's form the bouquet. First, I place everything on the table. Then put it together, the sticks, and wrap it with some tape. Going up with the tape so it feels secure. Then add some flowers in the parts that are between the fruits and add more tape. Then let's wrap this bouquet with this type of wrapping paper. Then you just wrap it and add some tape or with a stapler. After, at the bottom, add a lace and do a bow. This is the result. This is an awesome present to give and I'm sure everyone would love to receive this edible bouquet. If you like this type of videos, give me a like and follow my channel so you don't forget to watch any of my videos. Thank you for watching.